Good afternoon, Wildwood Middle School students. Mr. Long here, recording to let you know that Wildwood Middle School will now be loaning out our supply of Chromebook laptop computers. In a message sent by Mr. Fusilero, I'm going to read it to you now. Hello, parents and guardians. We would like to thank all parents for their understanding and patience during this difficult time. In order to help students participate in the remote learning that the Wildwood School District is conducting, the district will be loaning Chromebooks to students in grades 3 through 12 who need them. We have a limited number of Chromebooks and ask that requests only be made if you do not currently have a device for your child or children. Chromebooks will be distributed on a first-come, first-served basis. Please complete the attached form for each student in grades 3 to 12 that need a Chromebook. For instance, if you have someone in your household and you're in 7th grade, and then you have a younger sister in like 3rd grade, your family would need to complete 2 forms, one to get a Chromebook for you and your sister. Or if there's 3 of you, obviously 3 different forms. For example, if you have 3 children in grades 3 to 12 who need a device, you must complete 3 forms. Please make sure to include a phone number and email that we can contact you to send you the forms that need to be completed and set up a time and date to pick up Chromebook. We will provide you with an information sheet with instructions and guidance on the Chromebooks when they are distributed. We anticipate the distribution of Chromebooks to begin after spring break in the event the school closure is determined to continue beyond this time. An adult must pick up the Chromebook when an appointment is made. If you have any questions, please email jfusilero@wwschools.org. So I'm sharing this link to you guys, but also I'm sharing the link to like this website right here. But if you click on this link, you'll actually be brought to the survey. And the survey is very simple. Please complete one form for each student that needs to borrow a Chromebook in grades 3 to 12. If you have more than one child who needs a Chromebook, you must complete a separate form for each of the students. So that means you would just complete it, submit it, and then click on the link again to get a blank form. So you're going to have to do that 3 times or for how many times you need a Chromebook for each kid in your house. If you have more than one child who needs a Chromebook, you must complete a separate form for each of the students. Please note that you will also be required to sign a district technology device agreement and an acceptable use policy if one is not on file for your child. Most of you already have this done because you've been using Chromebooks in the classroom. So if you've used the Chromebook in the classroom, you've already had that submitted, so don't worry about that. And obviously the directions in Spanish. Now, it's real simple. Your parents will just put in their email, your name, your last name, what grade you're in, your parents' name, your parents' last name, your parents' email, your parents' phone number, another phone number just to be safe, the address, what is the language in the household, do you need a Chromebook? Obviously, there's only one option. You just click on yes. And then this is a simple just acknowledgement of agreement, and you would just click on that, and then you would submit. All right? So that's how you fill out that form. If you need to talk with me or one of your other teachers face-to-face to help in filling this form out, I will be more than happy to call you on the phone and talk your parents through this form. So just let me know with that. All right. So make sure that your parents are aware of this. Make sure that if you need a Chromebook, if you're just using your phone, you can also get a Chromebook because I know using a phone is not going to be helpful for all of your assignments. So if you're like, oh, I just go on my phone, no, that you can request a Chromebook. If you have another laptop at home, then use that laptop. Or if the laptop's broken, then obviously request a Chromebook. Please let me know if you have any questions. All right, guys, bye.